Welcome to this support video on how to reconnect your alarm to your Wi-Fi. You may need to do this if you change internet providers or if you suffer any internet outage. You will need to be physically at the alarm panel for the next step. We are now going to enter the Wi-Fi settings area. To do this, press and hold the left SOS button for 3 seconds. The screen will prompt you to enter a 4-digit PIN. This is the same PIN that you normally disarm your alarm with. Enter your 4-digit PIN. Your alarm panel display will now say Scan Wi-Fi. Press the tick button and your alarm will begin to scan the local Wi-Fi networks. This may take up to 2 minutes. Once your panel has finished searching for Wi-Fi networks, you will see it will start to show the names of local Wi-Fi networks. If your Wi-Fi is not at the top of the list, simply press the down button until you find the name of your Wi-Fi network. Then press the tick button. Now you will be asked to enter your Wi-Fi signal's password. You can do this using the alarm panel's keypad. To get numbers and uppercase letters, keep pressing the appropriate number until you see the letter or the number in lower or uppercase as required. Once you are happy you have entered your password correctly, press the tick button. That's it, you're done. Congratulations. Your alarm panel may take up to 5 minutes to fully re-register with the cloud network. Please leave your alarm to do this by itself. Go and have a cup of tea, come back and check the orange light has now turned green and your alarm is working.